Welcome everyone, this is the Radio Eye. It is a radiolarian 9 in the shape of a rhombic triacontahedron. And it is named the Radio Eye because the surface pattern looks like eyes. So we've got, vertical slit pupil going on in the middle. And they look like lizard eyes or cat's eyes. Also, there are a whole bunch of different media references possible here. There's an anime where, the protagonist gets trapped in a prison box that's covered with eyes. They remind me vaguely of the Eye of Sauron as well. Anyway, tons of different references possible. I couldn't pick one, so it's the Radio Eye. It turns like this. As with other radiolarians in the shape of a rhombic triacontahedron, the three-sided corners of the centers of the turning axes, and like other radiolarians, it does jumble. So here's the smaller block of jumbling pieces, and here is the larger one. So you can see right there. This one, I actually started out with it as a, first thing is that this is a slight revision of the mechanism that I used for the radio shard. So it's hard to see on camera, but this one's substantially smaller. Still big-ish, but substantially smaller. It started out as a mechanism experiment. Not all mechanism experiments work, though. So let me see if I can even demo this one on camera. It really doesn't work great. It works, but like barely. There it goes. Anyway, I'll probably salvage it for parts now that I've shown on screen. This one, I tried to use a Radiolarian 7 as an intermediate layer, and then exclude a whole bunch of parts. It's a neat idea in theory. It doesn't work very well in practice. So this one is a lot more similar to the mechanism I used for the radio shard, just sized down a bit. And then the turning quality is actually excellent. Like any Radiolarian 9, it is slightly squishy. But I think this is largely actually due to some printer tuning that I did between making the radio shard and this one. This one turns really well. So it's printed in some kind of PLA Plus, I don't remember which one, on my GD Plus 4. And that is the Radio Eye. Thank you.